Hi guys, good morning. It's Megan Rose from the Philippines. Today is September 1, 2015. Sorry about the noise. We are working on the pipelines again. So yesterday I went to a yarn hall at Tabora and I'm going to show you what I bought. I've only bought some yarns. So I bought 9 pieces of the 50 grams of Red Heart. And from where I'm buying yarns, they say that they're going to sell Red Heart yarns that are Red Heart yarn with love, Red Heart yarn soft, and the Super Savers. So they informed me about that, asking if I wanted to buy, but for now I'm going to settle with the 50 grams. So all of these yarns that I bought, I'm going to use for the Order Amigurumis. So I have blue, brown, some pink, and also from the other store beside GST, that's Everton, I bought Familia yarns. This is a acrylic yarn that is 250 grams. And it's in white because I always run out of white. And I needed it for the Hello Kitty and the other amigurumis. And I also bought some variegated yarns from there. Two of the same color. Most of the yarns that I bought, I'm going to use for the orders. So I haven't been buying excess yarns because I have some already, like from the Rosario yarns. Those are yarns that I'm going to use on my free time, or maybe use for future orders if I run out of yarn. From Everson, I also bought some ribbons. Was hoping to make a Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse wallet, and the Minnie Mouse wallet has a ribbon that has dots. I've already purchased these red ribbons, the first ones, and then I realized that they have one with the dots. This is the ribbon for Minnie Mouse. So I bought um, 2 yards of this. 2 yards of this one. And maybe the excess I can use for future use or for future projects. I've already uploaded 3 videos lately, my catch-up videos, because when I was at Las Piñas last Saturday, I borrowed some Wi-Fi from my cousin and he lended me some. So I uploaded there 2 videos. And now my kuya, I asked for Wi-Fi connection from him and he lent me some. But he doesn't want me to watch YouTube videos because it slows down the internet for him and he's using it for work. So I'm just uploading whenever he's not here and maybe looking at my Facebook page. Okay, then show you. I put some of the yarns that I bought here, and this container can hold 550 grams ball. This is a box from the shoes that I bought yesterday. I'm going to show you my new shoes because whenever I go to the Divisoria and the floor is wet, uh, the mud it gets to my feet. So I bought rubber shoes. I really like the color of it. It's going to be handy whenever I go to Divisoria. It's a rubber shoes. So that's what I purchased. And I'm working on some works in progress. I'm working on another beaded wallet. Rectangular. It's supposed to be 8 rows high. And I'm on the 5th row. And after this, I'm going to make another one. So I can give to Ate Risa. So, this is my beads project. It has the colors of black, pink, orange, and yellow. The pink, orange, and yellow seem to go together. So, I'm going to finish this. And another work in progress is the Minion's head. This is a little bit large. I'm going to make another one with lesser increase. And when I was at Las Piñas, my mama and I, we visited our Tito Alex that is also near Auntie's house. And they have a lying-in clinic that is operated by his wife. So I also visited there my cousins. And last Sunday, we went to Tramway, an eat-all-you-can buffet style restaurant. I came with my mama, my tito, and 7 of my cousins, all boys. It's supposed to be for all boys treat from Harvey, but Auntie Ellie, she wanted us to come, so we went there at Tramway. It was nice eating all those food, different kinds like siomai. They have gelatines, fruits, soups. So, we ate most of it, but there's still more to eat. And after that, we're going home, and it rained, so it's hard to commute. So we walked in the rain. Most of the boys, they don't have any umbrella, so they got wet. And we chased the orange jeep where we're supposed to ride because there's no other ride. There is no bus is going there, so we chased the orange jeep so we can ride the bus on the other side. So it's my Las Piñas Street, and when I was at Las Piñas, I got to the plaza, and I've taken a video there, and I'm going to upload it also. So my other works in progress, as I was there, I was making this. I've gone very high. The ribbing is, I think the ribbing is only 1.5 inches. And I've gone to the knitting part. Mostly knitting. So it's faster to work on the knitting side. And also from Tabora, I purchased these stoppers. I don't know if that's what it is called, but I think I'm going to call them stoppers. Because for a while, the stitches has been going off. So to have a security, I purchased it. And I'm hoping to make a few more rows of this. So those are my projects. I still have to work on orders. I have an order of a grass skirt and bikini top for a 1-year-old. Actually, 2 bikini tops. And other middle. So I'm hoping that you guys are having a fine day, fine weather. And I really miss you guys. So This is it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.